Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit play. And you guys can write down the temperatures as they go. I don't have a 0 minute, do I?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and write down the 0 minutes, 20.4. You guys see that?
0.5.
Okay, then we'll have to. So that'll show up here in a second. We should get a reading of 0.5.
Right about now.
Man, our window's like right in it.
We're getting the lights and close the window.
And the lights back there.
Lights down low.
That's what she said.
We're locking the doors.
Okay, it's 20.5.
What just happened?
20.5.
Okay, there you go.
What do we write with the observation of that?
You don't have to write anything yet, Madison. Remember I said when it drips.
Okay.
Yep.
Can we dim the lights a little bit?
Or just
Yep.
that, it's that blind.
Yeah. She says it's time to eat too.
Yeah, Yes.
I'm frying up catfish tacos. Oh, damn, it's off that window. If you had my catfish, you could see
Well, I like fish.
I hate fish.
You ever had walleye cheeks?
Cheeks?
Yeah, it's like walleye cheeks. It's in their face.
Or catfish stomach.
Catfish
Not
stomach.
their stomach, but their belly. Their belly meat.
A full.
If you
Do you not catch big enough cats to take their belly meat?
No, if you cut the layer of skin on the inside out, it's good. But if you just leave like the shiny layer of skin on the meat, it's disgusting.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about like really big cats you can take off about this much belly meat in the middle.
Can you?
Hey, I'm recording this, so you guys.
Between the ribs.
Wait,
Well,
so
you're-
Hear us?
And then you can go up around their
I can hear you
eyes.
just as well as the recording.
Then you can go up around their eyes.
So the recording can't hear.
See that shit?
yeah, can I go sit up there? I can't sit
I'll try to get it. Well, I don't think I can get
No,
it.
I just can't see this thing.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Big.
What?
So when we look at the graph, it's kind of going across right there right now, but eventually it should start going up. And it is a little bit at a time. I just need to increase the heat. Oh, it is boiling, so it won't take long now. This is just reading the air in there. It's not reading the water, or not the water, but the liquid.
Hey, did you know there's sheriffs in Arctic Cat that could cold
Did it drip?
I don't think so.
I swear I heard something.
Says me.
So they just drive around all night
Not
long.
all night long. They just happen to be at the night that I was there.
It is.
Where at?
Is it dripping?
Yeah.
It's not the sheriff.
Okay.
So
It's
we're
dripping.
You can go ahead and put down it's dripping.
at 3.5. Oh my gosh.
I jumped up fast.
Oh, damn. We got it already.
So do we just write dripping?
Yep.
No, it's a dripping. Do we write that for the rest of them?
No, you can just where it started dripping. It's fine.
That says 59, correct?
Yes.
That does. 59.9.
Yeah, Brandy.
Damn it. Oh, we got that. 61 point what?
Is it 5?
Yep. 61.5.
Buddy freaking about Wilson.
So we'll show the graph here. So that's what it did within a short period of time.
How come it shot up so fast?
Well, because it's measuring it as a vapor, and that's when it hit it. The temperature probe when it hit it as a vapor. So that's why it
What does that smell?
went up so fast.
You smell that?
Probably the substance that's coming out of it.
No, I didn't.
Oh. Okay, I get it.
That's a good one. I heard that one. Caleb would get a kick out of that. We know Randy does every
You do?
one.
You do.
You know it's like a nail polish remover.
Yesterday's loss is
Oh,
today's
I know.
sauce.
Not very much so.
You smell it?
So we'll go back to that graph.
Oh, there we go.
That is
It smells like stuff you lights on fire real quick.
butane. Bedliner lights on fire.
Rubbing alcohol.
Personal experience.
Rubbing alcohol. It's not fun. Like the
Yes,
stuff
it
you
is.
get, the stuff you get in the bottles. That's
Yeah.
that's one.
Yeah.
You didn't know
How
that?
come it didn't work when I tried it?
That's what's in,
That's because the stuff in the store is not pure
It was 90 proof.
propanol. It's not pure, it's got a
Okay,
mixture of
I got
water.
a real question.
Yeah, like the real
So,
stuff. Put in
like,
a jug.
if you
light it
get
on fire.
alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, and you drink it,
It's gonna kill you.
it would?
Yeah.
Kill you?
Because alcohol you drink only has like less than 20.
I don't think propanol will kill you. I
Alright,
think it'd make you
Bryce
feel
is
real
right.
good.
I ain't trying nothing.
Now, if you drink wood alcohol is got one carbon, and ethanol has two carbons. And if it's wood alcohol, it causes you to go blind, and it also kills you if you drink enough of it.
And moonshine does that too.
That's right, because
That's right.
moonshine might have a combination of methanol and ethanol if they don't do it right.
Yeah.
If they got methanol in there, like I said, it'll cause you to go blind, because
That what-
it attacks the optic nerve, and it also could kill you if you get enough in your system.
That's why they pour it out after the first quart. Because it's mixed with all that.
you guys in your moonshine shows.
No, you've never watched it.
I definitely
Methanol and ethanol probably have similar boiling points, and so when we look at this,
Drive a truck on.
there is a liquid in there that's boiling. The other liquid is not boiling. So there's one liquid in there, well, I guess there's two liquids, it's a mixture. It's how you can separate a mixture out. Now, the way I've done it, I probably heated it up too fast just because of time-wise in this class. And I probably should have not heated it up quite so fast, but I needed to get it off that 20.5 so I could get the temperature raised. But we are leveling off. If you notice, we are leveling off a little bit. When you look at the graph, it is leveling off right here. And that tells you that the temperature is not really changing a whole lot of the vapor that's going up and boiling.
Will it get hot enough it just sprays steam out the whole time?
No, it won't get hot enough where it'll do steam. Because what happens, it's condensing back down into the tube. There's nowhere for the steam to go.
Well, out in the tube.
Well, it's condensing.
Heat rises.
Once it gets in the tube, it condenses to a liquid. So it won't.
Cool.
That's why that's that cooling mechanism it has. You guys getting those down?
Yeah.
Have
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to take this sample out, and I'm going to put iodine in it.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm going to put another beaker below it. Okay? Now, in your book, on page 277, if I put iodine in propanol, it'll turn to a bright yellow. If I put it in acetone, it turns to a yellow to a brown. If I put it in water, it will be colorless to a really, really light yellow. And if I put it in cyclohexane, it will turn to magenta. So I'm going to take a little bit of iodine right here, as you guys keep putting that information down,
Why do they use iodine for surgery?
because it's a disinfectant. It's,
It is.
yep, it kills bacteria.
Oh, damn.
Is it a liquid?
No, it's just a solid. I just need to get a little piece in there.
Don't they dissolve
You
it
just
into
scoop
a
you
liquid, though?
Can you not
Yep,
touch it?
yep. You can dissolve it in a liquid. You bet.
Can you scroll those things?
Yeah, I will here in a second. So you guys can get that all down.
Well, iodine hurt your skin.
No, I mean not to the point where.
It's just not something you want just left on your fingers.
Right. I mean it's not. Okay, so here's a little bit. I'm gonna put it in, swirl it around, dissolve it.
Whoa.
You guys need to write down somewhere on your sheet that the first liquid, liquid 1 or liquid A, turned what color?
Can we just write that on the side
Brown.
of the hand?
Yep.
That is red.
It's kind of a
Rust color.
kind of a darker brown.
Looks red. When you
Brandon,
look at it with the light.
it looks like root beer, not. Not
What's it look like?
red.
Brown.
Brown.
Okay. You guys put whatever you want down.
Rust.
Okay, I'm going to scroll this down. Our temperature's still not changing a whole lot. Okay, now I'm going to heat it up a little bit hotter.
Yeah.
No.
Man, I can't wait to go fishing.
That was so random.
Well, that's what I've been thinking about. Like, what I'm doing for school.
You don't have to go to practice.
Brandon. That is crazy.
Brandon,
What is this
look
shit?
at that.
Slowly kids today.
Garon, what exactly is districts?
The other truck.
When does it start?
About 4 Friday.
Where's it at?
There's no motor.
Why would you lower it?
I think that's what Trevor said.
Put it on bags.
Dang, that's on Friday already?
Semi?
Wrestling's almost over?
Isn't districts in Bennington? Yeah.
No.
Okay, went to 66.3.
Sit in the bags.
Oh, yeah.
Electronic box and the dash and raise it and all that.
See, that's just stupid.
It's Friday and Saturday.
Yeah,
I think so, yeah. I'm not for sure.
I can just see Brandon through town in his truck.
Are we gonna finish this today?
No, but
Yeah,
the
we
motor's
have
out, the tranny's out.
So,
We don't really have an option.
are we not going all the way to,
Yeah, well, no, we won't go all the way to 28 on this one because I heated it up a little bit hotter than I normally do.
okay.
Don't touch my truck.
She's really flowing now.
Hmm?
She's really flowing now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's tinkling.
We'll look at our graph. It's going to start going, looks like it's going to start going up again a little bit. Starting to go up.
Don't touch
Nice.
It's got chains on it. I'm gonna get rid of animals. I just hold that pretty much. The motor alone, nothing training on is different.
Wish we all made that big money like we
Yeah.
do.
I'm just hanging off of a.
Wish I worked at Taco Bell. Where do you work now? Ohio?
Yeah, it's Andrew's
You're his boss.
Yeah.
Fire him.
I'm not
What
that.
the hell?
I went there looking for something. Brandon's giving me one help me, he can't find it.
gone.
How are you his boss?
Cause I know what Helen
What
Where-
the heck? Heck, you're doing.
Where do you work?
did. O'Reilly's not really called
Andy worked at one.
O'Reilly's, you know where Cynics is at? Or Teal Haas?
Or Big Lumber.
Or Paul Berg Auto
You
Shop.
know where 6th and Dorsey's
You know
at?
the orange.
You know where Play is at? I know you know where Play is
Yeah.
at. Right across the creek coming south.
By
It's the
Arby's.
store on the right, the red and green.
Says
one.
O'Reilly's right on the front.
Caden is not your boss. If he tells you
Hey, no.
No cussing, come on. Seriously.
There's some of them hooligans in O'Reilly.
Caden.
Caden who?
Seriously. He's Caden.
Nato has a nickname in me.
Well, what they do.
What is it, Big Money or something like that? Bro.
The guy's an AutoZone. Yeah.
Like account customers. He does that.
Like what the city does.
Okay, put that 16-minute.
Oh, damn.
You look up, son.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, I do like it.
So if I call him, well, this is it, no, I didn't hear the other.
I don't know. I hate it. Good call.
Huh.
No, you hate it.
Bad.
Big interview.
Oh. Is that 80 degrees Celsius?
8.
Is that Celsius?
Mm-hmm.
Gee, that's hot.
What, how many degrees is that in Fahrenheit?
Like 160.
That's cold.
Okay, we're gonna take and collect this next liquid.
That's what it is in 80 degrees Celsius, like a.
Okay.
It's somewhere around there.
We're gonna collect this next liquid, enough of it, so we can do a test with iodine. If the bell rings, stay in here a couple minutes, and I'll write you a pass.
Ooh.
So how much is 80 Celsius? What is that?
100's boiling water, so it's not like it's that hot.
Because my LEDs in my truck run at like 120 something degrees Celsius.
Oh, that, yeah.
They got little electric motors in the back to keep it from lighting the truck on fire.
That happened, man. That'll happen.
So
That's a
much
dollar
damage.
for it.
They take 8,000 watts.
Jeez.
Okay, so I'll just have you do a couple more minutes, and then we'll test this solution. Do the 96.2 and do the next one, and then I'm going to test the solution. I'm going to have you write it down. All right, go ahead and write that down. And then I'm testing this solution. And then you can write the color down and you can go.
And this is liquid B.
This is B, liquid B. All right,
Oh, brown.
Brown, that is dark
That
brown.
black.
Ew.
That's like black.
That's
Okay.
how
Smokers
all right, you guys can
No,
go.
That looks like someone's spitter that they keep in the truck for a week. That's gross.
Ew.
Use motor oil.
Were we supposed to turn in questions?
You're supposed to turn that in, the assignment, yes, for the lab. Yeah,
So when are you wanting me to do that lab?
you can do it tomorrow. Yep.
Like after school?
Oh, did you? Yeah. Good.
Zach.
Even when you're told you need to go do it, it's still hard to
Yeah.
do that.
No. Oh. Oh. How's it going, Kara? How was your weekend? Do anything?
A nap day?
Hmm?
Nap day?
We can nap if you want. We got stuff we're gonna go through.
Okay.